Okay, we just finished machining a nose in support. It measures about 330. That's fine as long as it's under 7/16 diameter. So it'll clear when we start machining the taper. So now let's machine the next step, step 6, 5-inch diameter to the 4-inch line. So we're going to touch our tool off on the 15/16 diameter and then machine to the 5/8. To do that, I need to know the difference between 15/16 and 5/8. So I go to my calculator, 15/16, 0.9375 minus 5/8, 0.625 equals 312. So I got to take 312 thousandths off of that diameter to get to 5/8. So I can't take the full amount off on one pass, so I want to break that down into, well, that would conveniently break it down into 3 100,000ths passes plus a little bit left on there. But of course I'm going to measure each once to get each pass, after each pass, to get a consistent reading on my calipers. So let's go to the lathe and do that then. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my crossfeed on 0 without running into my part. 0, and then I'm going to touch off with my compound. So my crossfeed will be on 0, tool touching 0, and that's where I begin machining off my 15/16 diameter. So I have a reference to go to, my 100,000ths feed. So I'm still at 436 RPM. Now I'm going to power feed it. So I'm going to go about, well, somewhere between 4 and 7 thousandths. So I'll just go to around 0052. Let's see what 0052. I'm not worried about the finish right now, so we can go a little faster on our feed. So I touch off with my compound. I'm on 0. I'm going to go 100,000 at a feed rate of 0052, maybe 0057. And make sure everything's tight. Stop before my line, and then I just hand feed it to the line really slow. Take another 100, that should be 200,000 off. So 937 minus 200 would be 737. So I'm going to measure this pass and see if it measures 737. Seven 734. Okay. So I'm getting a consistent reading on my cross feed, the amount I'm taking off, and my measurements. So 735, 734. So if I took another 100, that would get me just above 625. So I'll go ahead and take another 100 off. So it goes back to zero at 250, then plus 50 more. Still be over a little bit over 5/8. I may put a little cutting oil on my finish pass. So 636, so I'm going to take off about 11 thousandths. Measures about 627. 627. That's a couple of thousandths over. That's just great. So now let's do the 3/4 diameter. That's in the next video.